In a stunning twist of events, the global household vacuum cleaners market is set to skyrocket from a staggering $18 billion to an impressive $35.4 billion within a mere span of 10 years. This phenomenal growth is spurred on by the introduction of an array of household vacuum cleaners, each boasting their own unique features set to hit the market in the coming decade. A vacuum cleaner, an everyday household item, is a device that utilizes suction to remove debris from various surfaces such as floors, furniture, draperies, and beyond. Operating predominantly on electricity, these devices are equipped with built-in filters and suction motors that effectively draw in dust and debris, providing a swift and efficient cleaning solution. From the ease of use and maintenance to the precision cleaning they offer, vacuum cleaners have become an essential tool in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in our homes. The escalating demand for consumer durables, inclusive of home appliances, is fueled by a burgeoning population and a growing disposable income. This surge in demand propels the expansion of the regional market. With the presence of significant market participants and production facilities, the rising demand is met through a robust supply chain and distribution system. Major competitors are also pushing the envelope in innovation, providing the local market with the latest vacuum cleaners equipped with cutting-edge features at a competitive price point. In the year 2022, the canister segment dominated the market, commanding a whopping 35% of the market share, translating to a revenue of $6.3 billion. Meanwhile, the cordless segment emerged as the market leader with the largest market share of 64%, yielding a revenue of $11.52 billion. With advancements in the market, customers are now seeking more from their vacuum cleaners. A recent customer survey by Prenova revealed that versatility and powerful suction capabilities are the most sought-after features in modern vacuum cleaners. A testament to this trend is the Aremo, a cordless vacuum cleaner that boasts 3 suction settings, accessories, and unmatched versatility, all at an affordable price point. In a nutshell, the household vacuum cleaners market is on a trajectory of rapid growth, spurred on by rising consumer demands and relentless innovation. As we look towards the future, the market is set to burgeon to a staggering $35.4 billion by 2032, a testament to the integral role vacuum cleaners play in our everyday lives.